Let's make it happen, guys. This is 2015 Strike 3 Mystery 3 box break 96, 85, 86, 87. Let's screen share everybody out. All right, Luke L down to Mitch A. Should have a 19 roll here. Good luck, guys. It is time. All right. All right, there is one. Here comes number 2, 3, Razzle, Dazzle, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Lane T down to Rescindo. Very good. Let's copy and paste that in. All right, guys. Here we go. And here it is, guys. All right, there is one. Here comes number 2, 3, Razzle, Dazzle, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, H down to T. And here's what it looks like, guys. All right. All right, guys. Any trades? Let me know. Any trades? All right. Good luck indeed, sir. Let's see what we got here. All right. Let's see what we got. Wow. Power glue, man. I tell you what. What they use on that glue, man, but it's some serious stuff. Some serious stuff. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. Nice. David Wright right here, 3 of 10. Watch out. David Wright, 3 of 10. Right there. Absolutely nasty. Local guy. Right there. Check that out. 2014 Top Supreme Baseball. Lynn T. Lynn T has good luck in these. David Wright. Sorry, Matt. You know we put top quality in these, buddy. Lynn T. Number to 10, David Wright auto. All right. Yes, indeed. Next up, here we go. Next one here is, ooh, the Gronk. Right there. There's the Gronk. Check that out. Rookie card, too. Right there. Topps Platinum Football. Rob Gronkowski. Very nice. Letter G. Ben J. Ben J. Nice hit, buddy. The Gronk. Right there. Topps Platinum Football. Right there. Very nice. Nice hit there for Ben Gronkowski. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. And here we go. Ooh, nice. Check that out right there. Mr. Stargell. Upper Deck Legends right here, guys. Legendary signatures right here. Check that out. Right there. Willie Stargell. Right there. Willie Stargell. Don't show Matt S that. The other Matt S. Very nice. Upper Deck Legends. Letter S. Ernie D. Ernie D. Very nice. Willie Stargell autograph. Nice hit, buddy. Let's do some more of those, guys. Keep in mind we got the graded baseball as well. Those are awesome. That will do it for 3-box mystery break 96, 85, 86, 87. Let's save that for YouTube.